So with Microsoft Outlook's integration with Dynamics 365, I can go over to this tile on the right side called the Sales Copilot. Now, Sales Copilot is a tool that is included with Dynamics 365, and it's extracting some information from this email. So it's summarizing important points from this email, and importantly, it's telling me he's proposing a call to discuss their requirements. Now, with this, the first thing I want to do as a salesperson is I want to take this email and convert it into a lead so I don't lose track of it. So the way I would do that is I would click on the plus button in the upper right corner, and I would say, what do I want to do? Well, the first thing I want to do is create a lead. So I'm going to click Create Record. So I'm just going to give my lead a title in D365 Sales. And I'm going to set myself up as the owner. I could also set other people up in the organization as the owner. And I'm going to give this a default status reason of a new lead. I'm also going to fill in his name, Northwind Traders. And when I click Save, it's going to create a lead record for me in Dynamics 365. And I can go from here. If I click on the three buttons here, I can move into Dynamics 365. Oh, but first I want to save this email. So now I'm saving a copy of this email into that lead that I just created. Now, what I want to do is if I go to click on the three dots here, open in Dynamics 365, it's going to open another tab for me, and it's going to show me the Michael Carter lead that I just created. It's going to show me that email is in here, and I can open up this email and review it. I could also do a reply to it, which we're going to show you in a few seconds. And it's giving me some Copilot-based highlights of what we know about this opportunity so far. So basically, in the end, we're saying we want to schedule a phone call. So as a salesperson, there's several things I can do here. I can create an email response to him, and I can also create a phone call record. So I'm going to now just really quickly demonstrate from within Dynamics. I can reply back to him. So I click on the reply button, and when I do that, this email record comes up. I can use Copilot to reply to this inquiry or make a proposal or address a concern. So Copilot will create those emails for me. I'm just going to send this email off. And now that I've sent this email off to Michael, what I want you to see is that email is going to show up in my Microsoft Outlook. It's also going to automatically show up in my lead record in CRM. Other things we could do in here while we're in our lead, let's say we have our phone call with him and we get some more information. I'm going to start filling out more information as I go along. So I'm going to fill out his job title, that he's VP of Sales, his phone number, his mobile phone. I'm going to fill out some of that. And now, if you're using Microsoft Teams or any other phone system, Microsoft Teams phone, you can start your phone calls from within this record as well.